Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we are doing a Birchbox unopening. This is July's Birchbox, which I'm opening in August. I'm sorry, guys. This has been a rough month for me. I've been sleeping most of the days because of my medication. So this is late because I'm finally awake. So let's get into opening this box. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like lemons and oranges, which is great for summer. I'm going to open it. I haven't opened it yet. I just took it out of its main box. And this is what it looks like. Oh. It says love you. And obviously on the back it tells you the products, how much they cost in full size, what they are, a little bit of directions on them sometimes. And you get paper and you get the products. Kind of has some kind of smell to it. I'm not particularly sure what kind of smell that is. But my hair is already in it. I haven't even opened it. And I know it's my hair because there's a slight purple hinge to it. By the way, for those who are wondering what kind of hair dye I did, I went for purple and my hair just got darker instead. So let's start from the top to bottom. So let me see if I can find this product. Yes, I found it. It's really small. I was like, where is it? So this is it. Look how tiny it is. It doesn't even fit in the palm of my hand. Oh, you're so cute. It's okay. It's not going to be enough to... Oh, let me just disclaimer that. For any products... I got an itch on my nose. Give me a second. I do review products, however, it's by asking me. I do not review products that are this tiny because you're not getting the full advantage of the product and the full idea whether or not they're going to actually work, in my opinion, because some of these products take multiple uses to see if they actually work. So stuff like this is not really giving you a good review, so I will not be doing reviews on really small sample sizes. Unless if it's like makeup, like eyeshadow or lipstick, I can give you a review on that, whether or not it dries out or not. So Arrow Revitalize Under Eye Brightening Serum, light to medium. So it looks like it's also a concealer, possibly. Full size is $18. Consider this skincare meets makeup serum your morning savior. Made with ginseng and caffeine, it depuffs, smooths, and provides coverage to conceal and brighten your under eyes. We'll be the judge of that, sir. Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. It's a Birchbox favorite. Full size is $23. This calming serum that doubles as a spot treatment defines pores and balances skin without drying it out. Apply a thin layer to cleanse skin or directly onto any blemishes. It's 99% natural, which is right here, which is pretty awesome. But now that I'm looking on the back of it, this entire, I don't know if you can see it, this entire side, all the way down to the bottom is ingredients. And a lot of them I can't pronounce. So to say it's 99% natural is a little bit hesitant for me. A lot of these words are not familiar to me whatsoever. MAC Cosmetics in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara, full size is $24. Brush on this clump-free carbon black mascara to lengthen, condition, and define every lash. I'm not going to do it right now, I'm just going to open it. Look at that. Just gonna... It doesn't have a scent to it. Wow. Wow, Mac. Usually everything has a scent to something, but that one doesn't, so that might be fragrance free for all we know. Purlisse, I don't know how to pronounce it. New to Birchbox, coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. Full size is $36. Exfoliate and hydrate with this antioxidant scrub that promotes skin's elasticity and clarity in the shower. Massage your body in gentle circular motions and rinse. I will probably use this because I keep using my husband's. So I'll definitely have to try it out in the shower in the next few days. I'm really excited about it because I could use a scrub for myself. R&Co Analog Cleansing Foam Hair Conditioner. Full size is $30. Clean and hydrate the hair with this 2-in-1 cleansing conditioner that saves you a step in the shower. Massage a small amount in wet hair from roots 2 ends, then rinse. I'm kind of excited. Maybe I'll try this out next shower. And lastly, Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream, full size, $34. This anti-aging moisturizer quickly absorbs into your skin to provide touchably soft 12-hour hydration. After cleansing and treating, massage a thin layer into your face and neck. So this is probably used at nighttime. I like the way the packet looks. It's pretty interesting looking. Doesn't feel like there's a lot of product inside, but you know, that's how, you know, sample sizes are. That's why I used to like BoxyCharm, because they would sometimes just give you full sizes. Might go back to that eventually one day when I can afford it. So yeah, I mean, the packet it's full, but like some areas are really thin compared to the other areas, if that makes any sense. So yes, that is the last product. Empty box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried making it quick because this video is going to be up late. Sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed though, and I will be reviewing some of these products, but again, a lot of these products are sample sizes, so I won't be able to get the full review in, so sorry about that. I hope you guys will like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!